It is the 6th of August 2026 and welcome to today's Spanish A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about server flaws. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, Todd Blanche habla con 2 senadores republicanos. Todd Blanche speaks with 2 Republican senators. Next, Spider-Man pasa mil millones esta semana. Spider-Man passes 1 zillion million this week. And Starmer da una cifra engañosa sobre defensa. Starmer gives a misleading figure about defense. And now, today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. H.D. Moore is the name. Hallar means finds fallos, means flaws. Nuevos means new. En controladores de placas means in motherboard controllers. En Estados Unidos means in the United States. The headline uses singular subject plus present tense, so hallar matches one person doing the action now. H.D. Moore halla fallos nuevos. H.D. Moore finds new flaws. Hallar is the action word in today's story, from hallar, to find. More examples are on today's lesson sheet, linked below. El fallo afecta a muchos servidores. The flaw affects many servers. Fallo is the noun from today's story, and it belongs to the same family as fallar. More examples in the lesson sheet. Sirven para mirar el servidor y reiniciarlo. They are used to check the server and restart it. Para shows purpose, so it tells us what the controllers are for. Los controles sirven cuando el servidor está apagado. The controls work when the server is off. Apagado is the state word here, and it tells us the server is not on. Moore dice que algunos fallos siguen activos. Moore says that some flaws are still active. Say it with me. Activos. The C in this word is soft before A. Now for the pattern of the day. Hallar. To find, yo hallo. Tú hallas. Él halla. Nosotros hallamos. Vosotros halláis. Ellos hallan. The headline uses the el form hallar. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What did H.D. Moore find? Is it A. Fallos nuevos, billetes nuevos, or C. Cifras nuevas? Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Well done! That is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox, so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.